So I got home today from work, and look what is in my garage. Oh yeah, that is the Illuminator. In the box. Box is undamaged, which is nice. Ready to go. So I'm going to uncrate this thing. It's kind of wedged between my Jeep and the car. I don't know how the hell am I going to get this thing out of here, but we'll figure it out. So yeah, follow along. We'll check this thing out, see what it looks like. So here's the tag, 5.0 Coyote Illuminator. Just so you think, this is not the 5.2 XS. This isn't the beast with 580 horse. This has got the same horsepower. This has got the same horsepower as the standard Coyote, just got some forged internals. Instead of having sintered metal oil pump drive gears, it's got, I think they're billet. So it definitely got some upgrades. I didn't pay that much more than the standard Coyote, and that's why I bought it. Definitely paid more, but not like the 5.2, which will run you $18,500, $19,000. I couldn't stomach that one. That was just a little steep. And plus, that's a full race motor. So this thing's actually very streetable. Should be a good motor with, you know, they say they're tuning to about 500 horse in these cars with, you know, much freer intake, better exhaust. So follow along as I uncrate this thing. Thanks. I'm gonna pop the top of this box open. Oh, man. Boy, they crate the hell out of this thing. So there she is, armor protective packaging. Oh, it's even on a little stand. Oh man, this is gonna be a lot of work getting this thing out of here. Slide it out first. I don't think I'll be able to budge this thing. Oh, actually, yeah, it's not too bad. So I'm gonna slide it out. So there it is in the box, in the crate. All wrapped up, looks good. I like the, at least got an engine stand underneath it. That's kind of nice. So, so I'll continue to crate this thing. And I guess I won't show you the uncrating all the cardboard, but at least you got an idea. Once I get the crate itself taken apart, I'll show you pictures of me unwrapping it, because this is not, you know, who wants to see me uncrating it, right? You've seen what's in the box, and I gotta admit, there's a lot of dead space around there. They pay a lot of money to ship these things. Okay, so we got the box removed. Now I gotta figure out how to get it off this pallet. I think I'm gonna put it on a carpet dolly. Now I can roll it around. I've got an engine stand up in my attic. I'm gonna have to pull down, put it together, but right now I just want to get it out of the way here. So listen, I'm hoping two of us can slide this thing off onto a dolly. We'll see. 440 pounds, so I don't know. We'll see what happens here. But if not, I'll have to go get a cherry picker, and that's put away too. I'll have to put that together. Oh hell, we might as well unwrap it, huh? We're unwrapping. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy, huh? Powered by Ford. Somewhere on here there's a signature, the guy that built it. Ah, right here. Hold on, let me see if I can squeeze on over here. Check this out. So a Don Willett, built by Performance Assembly Solutions. So there you go, hand-built motor, Essex engine plant 5.0. This thing should be a beast. Parts but no instructions manual or anything. I guess you download that off the internet like everything else. So here's my connector. It's got to go in the computer. So I'm hoping to pull this back into here somewhere, which if I unwrap this, I should be able to do. And then this will go into the foot box. And that way the computer will be back up into here in the foot box. This thing will cross over and there'll be no computer up on top. That's my ultimate goal, but this thing's pretty sweet. Yep, so I get my flywheel clutch, everything else. So yeah, looks good. So I'll try to get this off the pallet and we'll get some more video. It's not really centered, but I got to get it closer off the pallet as far in as I can get this. I'm just going to try to get a little weight off and then kind of swing it out a little bit. And then I can shove this thing in a little bit more. So there we go. We got our Coyote up off the pallet. Got my engine stand underneath. I'll put that together. So I think what I'll do is I'm probably going to run this thing into the garage, and then maybe I'll put it up on the engine stand. So I got to flip this thing over, because you can see down in here that oil pan is not going to work. First of all, it's way too low. So oil pan will come off. Man, whatever all that bracketry is for. Huh, interesting. Yeah, plastic oil pan. Look at this drain on it. What the hell is that? Oh well, crank position sensor here. So yeah, there it is in all its beauty. Question is, do I try to paint this? And I don't think I'm going to, because that just would be a pain in the butt. That'll probably gonna stay raw aluminum. Just so you know, that's not gonna get painted white, but the oil pan will be. The oil pan will get painted white, so at least we'll have some white on the engine. So let's slide this into the garage and go to the next step. It is in its home, so it's in the garage now. We're gonna let it kind of just sit here until I can get the oil pan painted. Then we'll index the bell housing. And then I'm actually gonna probably bolt this thing in so we can figure out where the harness is gonna lay, because I'm not sure doing this custom wiring that I'm planning on doing. So, but other than that, it's all here, ready to go. So it looks good. I don't know what I'm gonna do for a cover yet. I definitely don't like that big flat alien looking thing, so that's definitely not on the list. I've heard you can actually run a Gen 1 cover on here, kind of up into here, and then these things stay open, but I don't know yet. As I said, I don't really, that's way down the road, so I'm not gonna sweat that one. But the Illuminator is in the house. Next time you see it, hopefully it will be in here somewhere. And then we start mocking some stuff up. So that's my plan. Probably have to pull all that aluminum off there. We'll just set it up in there, and then start mocking up what we need to do. As you can see, there's a lot of wires here. This is my main harness right here. So that's the one that's going to plug into the computer. I think that's the main one that plugs into the computer. And yeah, so we'll see. And then you got your direct injection stuff. I think that's what that is. I don't know. This direct injection is all kind of foreign to me, but yeah, it must be, because you got a high pressure line there, I'm guessing. So yeah, so here it is. Well, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for watching another episode. Yeah, I just got to see the Illuminator get put into the home. So next time you see it, it's going to be in the engine bay. So thanks again, and if you like this video, please hit subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on the next episode of the Cobra Daytona build.